All right, guys, so we caught Stephen Mask here. Sadly, we saw what happened. It looked amazing, but then bad things happened. So tell us what the plan is.
Yeah, I was going to say it was fun until it wasn't. I don't know right now. Right now we're just kind of scouring, looking for another pan. I got to do a rear sump setup, so a truck pan will work, but it's going to be even closer to the ground, which obviously is the issue we had here. It just hit the bottom of the oil drain bung and knocked it through the bottom of the pan. So no major damage to the issue of the driveline or anything. I think it probably hurt the track more than anything, but you know, get that cleaned up, and then we'll see if we can get it put back together. So we're going to start making some phone calls and thrashing and see what we can do.
Well, good luck, dude.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.